So hello to all my dear friends. Today I'm going to start with a new topic. So what is our topic? Our topic is motion. Now, seeing this term motion, what is the first question that arises to our mind? Well, the question is, what is motion? So I'll tell you what is motion. When an object changes its position with respect to time is known as motion. So here it's becoming a hodgepodge, I know. So I'll explain this with the help of a diagram. So here let us come to the example that for suppose here this is the object, okay, and an object is standing over here. For suppose this is point A, okay, and object wants to go to point C. So in between, for suppose we are having point B. Now what will happen that this object will first go from A to B, okay, in which he will take maybe 5 seconds, okay. So after coming from A to B, he'll again go from B to C, then again maybe he will take 5 seconds. So here what the thing is happening that the object is changing its position from A to B and from B to C with respect to time. And what is the time? The time is 5 seconds, 5 seconds. It can be 6 seconds, can be 7 seconds, can be anything, okay. So the basic thing is this object is changing its position with respect to time. So here our next topic is stationary objects. So what is stationary objects? Objects which are at rest are known as stationary objects. So here for suppose a car is standing over here, and it is not moving here or here, okay. It is in its own position only. So this means we can tell that the car is at rest, okay. It is not moving here and there. The car is at rest position, and the measurement for stationary objects is, we write 0 as the value for stationary objects, okay. One more note is there, that is odometer. What is odometer? That it is a device to measure speed of a vehicle. When a vehicle is moving, what is the speed of that vehicle? If you want to measure, then you can use the device odometer, okay. So now we are going to learn about two very important and interesting topics in motion chapter. It is distance and displacement. So what is distance? Distance is the length of path between initial and final position. Don't worry, I'll explain you everything in next video. So displacement is what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest path between initial and final point. One more thing, initial position you can write it as u, small u, and final position you can write as small v. So now distance and displacement we are going to understand it through diagram. So in last video, if you have not seen the definitions of distance and diagram, you can rewind the video and you can see what I have said or what I have written. So now let us come to distance first. What is distance? Okay, let's see what is distance. So for suppose you are standing at your classroom and you want to go to washroom. So what is the most simplest path you can take to go to washroom? So let's see, you can go like this to washroom. Yeah, in a straight path you are going to washroom. Okay, so this is a straight path you are going to washroom just like this. Now someday you feel like I want to make a round of my premises. I want to go like this. You felt like that I want to go like this to my washroom. Okay. So it can happen, you feel like, no, today I don't want to choose a straight path, I want to roam around my premises, I want to go like this. So anyways, so here, very important that A is your U. So in last video we have learned that U is known as initial point. So where right now A is your initial point, means classroom is your initial point where you are standing, but over here B is your V. V means final point. So A is your initial point and B is your final point, and you want to go to B. So we have learned that distance is the length of path between initial and final point. So this is your initial point, this is your final point. Okay, so you can either choose your distance like this, you can also go like this, you can also go like this. Anyways, you can, in any way you can go. Okay, so these are known as distance. Okay, distance is the length of path between initial and final position. But now you're laughing, man, you're telling that distance at the length between the two parts of initial and final is known as distance. you're telling me that, but then what is displacement? So yes, what is displacement? The question arises that displacement is the shortest path between initial and final point. So this is your initial point, this is your final point. So what is the shortest path? If you will go like this is not the shortest path, this is not the shortest path. This is the shortest path. A straight path can be the shortest path between your classroom and washroom. So what is displacement? The shortest path between initial and final point is known as displacement. And what is distance? The length of path between initial and final point is known as distance, and distance can be in a circular path, in a straight path, doesn't matter, but displacement is the shortest path, which is a straight line. So I hope you are clear with the short video of motion. I'm ending this video over here. If you like the video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.